where the questions are given. And in that page, we are beginning with the first question. Let's have a look at that page of our chapter. After completing the notes now, we are supposed to move ahead with the question answers, beginning with the first one, wherein it is asking us to classify. Now, what I can do with that is, here it comes to the screen. The first question, classify the changes involved in the following processes as physical or chemical changes. You can mention, for physical, you may mention P, and for chemical, you may mention C right now. Once we start discussing, we are going to do that. Before that, let me show you the crystals of copper sulfate. We have done one activity, activity number 6.9, and that activity number 6.9 was stating that we were supposed to make copper sulfate crystals, the process of which we have already understood, and it took 3 days to take up this shape. I hope the crystals are very clear to all of us. Say yes. Say yes or no. Can you see the crystal?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This crystals, of course, because copper sulfate is poisonous, so we would not expect the kids to try it at home. Okay. So these.
Ma'am, but we can do it with sugar or salt.
Yes, and let's continue with the questions now. The first question, you are supposed to classify, and we are going to mention physical and chemical. First one, photosynthesis.
Ma'am, chemical changes. Ma'am, chemical changes.
Yes, it has to be. And for chemical, we are mentioning as C, and for physical, we are writing as P. Right? So how many parts in the question do I have? F. Right from A to F I have. The first one is chemical. Second one,
chemical.
dissolving sugar in water.
Ma'am, physical changes. Physical changes.
It is either physical or chemical. And we have understood this. Please recall all the dissolutions. That means all the things you dissolve, melt, freeze, evaporate, all of them will be physical changes because no new substance is formed. So here in this case of dissolving sugar in water, either it is dissolving sugar in water or dissolving salt in water, it is a physical change. Next, after that, burning of coal. We have covered that previously also, that burning anything.
Chemical changes.
Yeah,
Chemical changes.
anything burning means it is a chemical. Burning means chemical. New substances are formed. Melting of wax. Physical. Melting of ice.
Physical changes.
Melting of wax. Yes. I know you are enthusiastic to give answer, but try and understand. Melting of wax, melting of ghee, melting of butter. Melting has to be physical. Then next after that, beating aluminium to make aluminium foil.
Physical
Physical
change.
change.
Ma'am, physical change.
Physical, because in rod form it was aluminium, sheet form it was
Physical
aluminium.
change.
Yeah, it is physical. And digestion of food.
Chemical change.
Chemical change.
Yes,
Chemical change.
yes, new
Chemical
substances are
change.
formed. In case of digestion, from the food that we eat, new substances are formed. Now let us start dealing with question number 2, which says that you are supposed to write down true and false. And of course, you are supposed to correct if it is false. And it has got E part. The first statement, cutting a log of wood into pieces is a chemical change.
False. False. Cutting of a
It
log
is
of
false.
wood into pieces is a physical change.
Yes, it is false. Say tomorrow if I say cutting a big piece of aluminium wire into small aluminium wires is a chemical change, then it is wrong. Okay.
Because it
And
is
physical change as
Yes.
its only
Cut-
shape and size changes.
Cutting and tearing, they are all physical changes. Now, yeah. So here, cutting of course was false, and we are supposed to write it as what is the change we are going to write in the statement? The correct statement will write down that it is a,
Physical change.
yes, it's a physical change. Now the B part of it. Formation of manure from leaves is a physical change.
False.
Yes.
False.
Chemical
Formation
change.
of manure from leaves is a chemical change.
Chemical
Chemical change. As
Chemical
we get
change.
manure, a new
Yeah.
substance.
Yes. Then after that, C part of it. Iron pipes coated with zinc do not get rusted easily.
True.
True.
We
True.
okay, got it. True. Okay, if it is true, then we need not make any changes in that, right? And of course, next, iron and rust are same substances.
False.
Iron gets rusted, its oxide form, and iron oxide are not same substances.
Yes.
It
And
forms iron oxide.
iron oxide and iron hydroxide, beta. I gave you that. Fe2O3 plus FeOH whole thrice. I gave you that. Understood? The rust is a different formula, of course, formed of iron, of course, but iron and rust are two different chemicals, right? Next, after that, condensation of steam is not a chemical change. Condensation of steam is, yes.
True. And when steam is formed, the water heated.
Yes, it is true. It is true.
Its state is changed.
I am revising the
can
same
be
answer
reversed.
that you gave. I am revising the same answer, repeating the same answer. Please try and understand. You are talking about water. Water. I would expect my kids to behave properly in the class. Once you're talking about this one, true, we are writing for it. I am again requesting you for the last time, please behave. So once you're talking about water, freezing of water, melting of ice, evaporation of water, condensation of water, that means water was in the form of steam, and that steam got condensed and again got converted. It again got converted to water. That means right from water, that is the liquid state, to the gaseous state, solid state, either of the states, basically it remains water. So it is going to be a physical change only. Next question, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks also has got 5 parts. The first part, when carbon dioxide is passed through lime water, it turns milky due to the formation of
Calcium carbonate.
calcium.
Calcium carbonate.
Yeah, calcium carbonate.
Calcium carbonate.
हाँ बेटा, calcium carbonate, and we will write down its formula also, CaCO3, like the chalk I am holding in my hands. Second, the chemical name of baking soda is
Sodium hydrogen carbonate.
Yes.
Sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate.
It is bicarbonate also, but better we write down sodium.
Hydrogen carbonate.
Yes, hydrogen carbonate, and the formula is Na for sodium, hydrogen H, carbonate is CO3. Then 2 methods by which rusting of iron can be prevented are
Ma'am, painting, greasing, and galvanization.
so better we go for painting and galvanization.
And galvanization.
If they are asking you to write down one answer, please write galvanization. And if they are asking you 2, out of the 2, you must write down one as galvanization, because galvanization is a foolproof method. Then after that, changes in which only dash properties of substances change are called physical change. Which properties only should change?
Physical.
Physical.
Physical properties.
Yes, if there is a change in the physical properties, it has to be a physical change. Very good. Now, changes in which new substances are formed are called
Chemical.
Chemical change.
very good. Chemical. They are called chemical changes. Now, question number 4. Question number 4. When baking soda is mixed with lemon juice, bubbles are formed with the evolution of gas. We are now dealing with that question. I'm rubbing
Ma'am,
off.
it is a chemical change. Here a new substance, carbon dioxide, is formed.
Yes.
Ma'am, carbon dioxide.
The reaction between baking soda and lime juice.
Yes. And lime contains which acid in it?
Citric acid.
Yes, citric acid. Very good. So the answer would be, of course, we will be writing it as that it is a chemical change. Okay.
Chemical change.
Yes. And we may explain this also. This chemical change we may explain also. For
Ma'am,
example, you are using lemon.
Ma'am, lime juice plus baking soda.
Lemon juice bola na? Right. So lemon
ma'am.
means
Lemon juice.
citric
Citric acid.
plus.
Citric acid.
Lemon
Yes,
juice
please.
plus baking soda.
Baking soda.
Sodium hydrogen carbonate.
Soda. Baking soda is a moment ago
Sodium
we wrote
hydrogen carbonate.
sodium hydrogen carbonate. Because space is less, you may write the equation in a single sentence in your notebook. Please try to do that. And the result will be,
Carbon dioxide. Bubbles.
yes, it will form
Bubbles.
carbon dioxide plus
Other substance.
other substances. So in my explanation, after writing chemical, I may mention this equation also. My answer is complete. Question number 5. A bit tricky question. I want to know the answer from my kids here. It says, when a candle burns, right? First example, burning of candle. Burning of candle. Both the changes take place. Physical
Yes, ma'am.
and
Ma'am, may I said?
chemical.
Ma'am, may I said?
Wait a minute. The
Okay,
main twist is after that.
Ma'am, may I say?
Yeah, wait a minute. Okay. So in this case, the physical change would be, yeah, Kumud.
Ma'am, melting of wax.
And who else wants to answer?
Ma'am, I.
And
Ma'am,
Ma'am, Utkarsh.
Utkarsh, Chirag, Tapshil,
ma'am,
Saloni wanted to answer?
ma'am, physical change on heating candle wax gets melted since it
Yes.
again turns into soiled wax on cooling.
Yeah. Okay.
मैम और भी हो सकते हैं इसमें फिजिकल चेंज में.
I am going to just stop this presentation so that I can see all of you on the screen. I can make out that my kids, those who want to answer, I can see your hands here. Yeah, now I have the whole look of it and I can make out. Yes, Devisha Chaudhary is going to tell me what is the chemical change here.
Ma'am, the chemical change is the burning of gas with the formation of CO2.
It's basically burning of wax, and physical change is the melting of wax. You note down this thing fast because I'm going to remove this example. This was there in the question itself. And after this, I'm going to put 2 more examples in the same format. Beyond this, yes, Tapshil is also right. Beyond this, you try to think of any other example where the single change results into physical and chemical changes both.
मैम प्लीज आई.
Yes, one Utkarsh is saying, and
Ma'am, can I?
and
Ma'am,
Chirag
मुझे
is
एक आता है.
also asking for that. Anybody else?
मैम मुझे एक आता है.
Yeah, I'm just going to ask you, Chirag and Utkarsh. Beyond that, any child wants to give another example?
Ma'am,
Who else wants to answer? Ritesh? Yeah, Ritesh is a new kid here. I would like to ask. Yeah, Ritesh, tell me another example. A change where
ma'am, when wax burns, smoke and carbon dioxide is formed.
yeah, of course, correct. Well,
Ma'am,
Utkarsh. Oh yeah, Utkarsh, give me another example.
another example is LPG.
What regarding LPG?
LPG is the another example in which physical change occurs when LPG comes out of cylinder and it is converted from liquid to gaseous state, and the chemical change occurs when gas burns in air.
Yes. So this is the second example.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, lightning of bulb using a dry cell is a chemical as well as physical change. Chemical reaction inside the dry cell produce current, and lightning is conversion of electrical energy to light energy.
Ritesh, I'm going to give you 1 minute and let me write down for LPG. I'll write this example also on the board. Okay? Just write the second one. See, A example we already have written. Now let's go for the B part, burning of LPG. In burning of LPG is basically first step physical is when LPG comes out from the cylinder, as long as it is there in the cylinder, it is the form of liquid. The moment it comes out, it takes up the shape of gas. So physical
ma'am.
change is conversion of LPG from liquid to gaseous state. Liquid to gaseous state. And chemical change, of course, is burning
Gas
of,
burns in air.
yes, burning of LPG to form gases. Note it down fast. And I'm going to write down the example quoted by Ritesh also. But beyond that, do we have any other example? Anybody else? Chirag was raising the hand trying to tell me. Yes, Chirag.
ma'am, burning of wax.
And that we have already covered. Tapshil. Tapshil was trying to give me another answer, I suppose. Note it down and I'm writing another answer here. Yeah. You can speak, Tapshil, there is no problem. Keep the camera on and speak.
Ma'am, burning of wood.
Yes. Yeah, Tapshil, speak out. I would like to hear from you, beta. What you wrote, you are supposed to speak out. Yes. Good example. Tell me. Okay, you do not have a mic. It's okay. Try to arrange a mic and let's have an active participation in the class. Now, if this you have written, let's write down the third example, the example that was given by Ritesh. I'm going to quote that here. This example, everybody has noted down? Nitya? Noted? Take a screenshot, beta. Do that. Okay? So let's move ahead with another example. The third example. Yes, Ritesh, tell me your this example once again.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, lightning of bulb using a dry
Wait.
cell is
Here. One thing. Lightning means that lightning and thunder. Ritesh, can I see you? Keep your camera on. This lightning is basically bijli kadakna, right? Lighting. Okay? Yeah, lighting a bulb. Tell me. See example.
ma'am using a dry cell.
Lighting a bulb.
Using a dry cell is a chemical.
Yes, using a dry cell.
Is
Now
a
in
chemical
that,
as well as physical
what is the
change.
physical change here? What is the physical change here? Okay, what is the chemical change here?
Ma'am, chemical reaction inside the dry cell produce current and lightning.
Lighting. Chemical changes. Chemicals of
Conversion of chemical energy into electrical energy.
and who was that?
Me.
Conversion
Yeah,
of electrical energy to light energy.
Yeah, no problem. We'll keep it simple like Ritesh said. We are going to write that way only. No problem. Chemicals of the dry cell react to form electricity. Right? Now tell me what is the physical change here?
Ma'am, I try.
Yes, try it out.
मैम जो सेल की एनर्जी है
Hmm.
अब वो लाइट बन गई
Yep.
Ma'am, can I?
और जब हम सेल बाहर निकाल लेंगे तो वो लाइट नहीं जल
No,
पाएगी.
no, no. Yeah, Kumud, tell me. Ritesh, you also
Ma'am,
think it over, huh?
ma'am, physical change is lightning of bulb. If
Lighting,
we do
lighting,
not,
lighting, lighting.
yes,
Lightning
ma'am,
तो हो गया
lightning of
thunder.
bulb. If
Huh.
we do not give the energy, it will do not light, and if we give energy, it will light. So it is a physical change.
Physical changes. This electrical energy is converting to light energy. That's all. I'll give you another example. Electric energy to light energy. Say, write it fast. I'm going to write down another example here. Try and understand one thing very carefully. The chemicals in the cell, they are working, right? And they are producing electrical energy. For the moment, if you forget about cell and the electrical energy obtained from cell, let's understand there is this electrical supply in all my switches in my home. One switch I switch on and I get light. Another switch I switch on and I get air from fan. You are getting my point? So electrical energy is getting converted to light energy in the bulb. Electrical energy is getting converted into mechanical energy and it is rotating the fans of these blades of the fan.
Ma'am, it is a chemical change.
No,
और
there it is physical only. One form of energy is getting converted to another form of energy. That's a physical change.
मैम उसका तो ऑब्जेक्ट बदल गया ना अब.
Please English. Change in object doesn't mean it's only one form of energy is getting converted to another form, like it happens in case of cell. The electrical energy produced in the cell is getting converted into light energy of the bulb. Right? Say for example in a torch. You switch on the torch and the bulb lights up because the electrical energy is changed to light energy. Now I am changing the topic and writing another example, and the last example they had asked only one more we have written free. Now the last one, digestion of food, I'm writing. That is the last answer here, and then we'll move ahead with the next question.
Ma'am,
Digestion of food. Physical is chewing, you can say, breaking down of large food particles into smaller ones, and digestion is conversion of food into simpler substances like glucose, amino acids, and fatty acids. Note it down fast. Note it really, really fast. Complete it fast, and if you cannot, then take a screenshot better. We are supposed to go a little bit fast here. We'll take up another question today, and the remaining will be winding up tomorrow. Let's read the next question. The next question is, how would you show that setting of curd is a chemical change? That is question number 6.
Ma'am,
I hope you have already noted down this question from the board.
ma'am, I
will try.
may
Saloni and Ritesh, they are trying to answer.
ma'am, may I?
I would like to see their faces. Please keep the camera on, Saloni and Ritesh. Yes, Saloni, tell me the answer to that. Tell me the answer to that. Setting of curd.
Setting of curd is a chemical change because a new substance lactic acid is formed. The curd formed has a different taste. The original substance also, once the curd is formed, milk cannot be obtained from it.
Yes. See, whichever example they are quoting, you may write down 2 simple things to the answer. 1, the process is irreversible, and 2nd, new substances are formed. Right? And let me make one thing very clear. Lactic acid is actually present in that itself. It increases in amount, which converts milk to
Ma'am, the bacteria, has bacteria which gets the milk, hot milk gets converted into curd because of bacteria.
One request here, when I am explaining, please try not to interrupt. I know you are enthusiastic and you know the answer, but let me explain to the whole class, please. And when asked for your doubts or your concept, then only you can, please. So let me repeat it again. They are given this curd. Well, of course, once the word is indicating lactic acid, yes, that is present in the milk, but it increases in amount with the growth of bacteria. The name of the bacteria is lactobacillus bacteria. It increases in amount, it releases more and more lactic acid, and that actually forms the curdling of milk, we say, curdling. That means converting milk to curd. That's all from my side today, kids. And we'll deal with the remaining questions in tomorrow's class. Happy learning. Stay safe.